Be blessed by the divine. What happens to the sins of souls after death? Souls of the ordinary death and accidental death will reach their end by contacting and working through living persons of similar character. So we see that the living society has to bear the consequences of the imprints of an individual not only in his lifetime but after his death. It is because of this that our wise forefathers insisted upon individual morality and responsible conduct in society. Each individual is the product of society, and society is the collective expression of the individuals. The psychic value and physical activities of each person are connected with universal life and the lives of all individuals in the society. A common feature of all religions is that the relatives and friends of the deceased voluntarily invoke the soul and pray for peace. This kind of ritual has a deep significance for pacifying and dissolving the deceased soul. Friends worldly wise often ask the question, if there is no rebirth for a dead person, what becomes of the sins he committed? Are they exempt from the law of cause and effect? The answer is that a person's sins certainly do not abate upon the occasion of his death. There is an effect or result for each and every action of man. That is the law of nature, and there is no escape from it. As long as a person is alive, he has to suffer mentally and physically from the effects of his actions. After his death, his descendants, through their hereditary link, suffer proportionately. Some of this suffering comes to society as well, because society is also responsible for the sins of the individuals. Next video is on the real meaning of ghosts and people recalling past life experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com, start your journey of consciousness. Be blessed by the divine.